Welcome back to Nate's Auto Repair. Today we have a 2018 GMC Terrain. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to put it into brake service mode. So I'm using a scan tool. You guys are going to need a scan tool to do this. So we're going to start off at the home screen here. This is to get your rear brakes to your pistons to retract in the rear. So you're going to start off on the home screen of your scan tool. Obviously, if you have a different scanner, it's going to look differently than this. But you're going to go into your anti-lock brake system, functional tests, output controls, and then rear brake caliper piston retract. Then you hit that, and it'll prompt you. Make sure you read the service information, instructions, TSB before proceeding. You're going to hit continue. Perform this function with ignition on, engine not running, and the transmission in park. That's all true. Hit continue. Failure to allow test to complete. Moving the rear brake caliper pistons to fully retract position may result in permanent damage, so just make sure they fully retract before you turn the car off or anything like that. So we're going to hit continue. Let the scan tool do its thing. Then up here you have the word retract with the box. You're going to hit that box. And I can now hear them retracting, so that is going to make it where you can push these pistons in without damaging your rear calipers, because they are very expensive if you do. And then basically, now you can see it goes in nice and easy with the screwdriver. Then basically you're going to go into extend when you're done to get these back out of the service mode and extend them back out to where they were before.